This video is going to explain what we are doing in class today. So I'll be out of the office today. I wanted to give you some video directions. So this is lesson 6.2 at the top of your calendar. And today you're just going to read chapter 30, section 2 in your textbook, and then complete and submit this doc here. Click on this and see what this looks like. So you're going to use not just section 2, which you read today. You're going to also use section 1, which you looked at yesterday, and to complete this assignment. So you're going to determine where each group covered in these sections 1 and 2 should be placed on this equalityometer. So on this kind of timeline here, where would they be placed? You are going to include on there women, Native American, Latinos, and you can use obviously chapter 30, section 1 and 2, and you can also use your own information, your own knowledge, things that we have talked about in class. And if you use any kind of information outside of our textbook or information that we talked about in class, make sure that you cite it. You will put the on the quality meter below, and then on the next page, you're just going to write a few sentences saying why you put them where you put them. So you're going to add 3 kind of facts about the groups and why you think that they would be where you put them on this equalityometer below. So if you have any questions about today's assignment, please let me know. Again, use that chapter 30 sections 1 and 2 to learn more about those groups of people and decide where you would put them on this spectrum here.